This is the bushingfix.com installation video for the Rx1Kit, which fits Cadillac vehicles where there's not a brass bushing around the post. You'll take the rubber bushing and find the split and place it around the post and press it down into place. Next, you'll take the collar, that's the piece with two shoulders, and you'll put it in between the top of the post and the bushing. And you can use that post to push that collar down into place. One of those shoulders should sit in between the rubber bushing opening. Next, you'll take the spacer with the shoulder facing downward and press it into place. Once you've got all that installed, push the whole thing downward and you can put the clip in between the shift arm and the shift lever. Once that's in place, move the lever around to be sure it moves freely. Then connect the shift rod to the transmission, and you're all set.